Hey people, so this is one of the unique videos we shoot because I have 4 rabbits on my lap right now, and keeping in mind the lifespan of rabbits, I should just treasure these moments really, because that's what rabbits multiply very fast and then they vanish also equally fast. That's how life is, I guess. This one is so cute. This white one and grey one are male rabbits. This black and white and grey and white are female rabbits. So that's interesting that the female rabbits are twin colored. The male rabbits are of a single color. This guy pretends to lick the air to show his appreciation. And this guy is the male, alpha male. He wants me to keep stroking his ears. He likes it when I do that. So yeah, this is a cute video. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.